You can also draw out diagrams with Freehand tool inside of diagrams.net. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto Arrange menu, and then if you were to go to Insert, then you can see that Freehand is a tool right here. So if I were to go around and choose this, I can just go around and then just drag around, and you can see that I can make a free diagram right here. So this is the brush, as you can see right here. So if I turn off the brush, you don't see a thick line right here. But if I were to turn on the brush, you can see that the line becomes thick. I can go around and increase the size of the brush over here as well, and you can see that it becomes larger right here, just like this. You can go around and you can see that just like with a brush, some parts are more bright right here, while some parts are more thick, while some parts are little small right here, just like this. You can press stop drawing, and then you can see that this is the drawing that you have right here. You can go around and select out the drawing right here, move it around. You can go around, choose out color over here, just like you would apply color onto a shape, and then disable the line, enable the line over here, choose style for the line and increase the point for the line over here as well, and change around other properties such as you can add in sketch or add in a drop shadow effect, just like this, so that it looks different right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then work around with the Freehand tool inside of diagrams.net. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.